Hey guys, welcome to Login Tips. Today I'll be showing you how to uninstall the Steam app or the gaming software from your laptop or PC. And now let's dive right in. Now to uninstall the Steam software or the Steam gaming software from your laptop, you'll be required to go to the control panel. You can directly go from over here where it says the settings and to the panel, but we will be going to another way. So to do that, let's simply click on Windows and R and type in the control panel over here on the run panel, and after that let's start enter, and you'll be directed to the control panel directly, where you can see the uninstaller program option available over here. Now search for the Steam on your computer. Let's maximize this, and over here there is the Steam by the Bulb Corporation. Now to uninstall it, simply click it and right click on the Steam and click on uninstall, and this option will be available for you where it says that do you want to allow this make to app and change to your device. Click on yes guys, and then your Steam will be uninstalled from your computer. And let's go, and let's click on uninstall, and you can see guys, it's being uninstalled. Just close this, and there guys, the Steam app or the Steam software has been uninstalled from our PC. And this is how you uninstall the Steam gaming software from a laptop or PC. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.